When you're working with clients such as the United States Air Force, you need to bring to the table a high level of confidence, quality, capability, coordination, and assurances that you're able to execute on the project. Classical Tents was the right company for the client to choose because we have the ClearSpan product to support an air show such as this. We have the knowledge background, and we have the ability to execute with their demands. We installed a 12 meter by 30 meter ClearSpan, a 20 meter by 20 meter ClearSpan, and a 15 by 30 meter ClearSpan. When we arrived, we had a map and location of where the product was going to be installed, but that changed with the Air Force and we had to pivot. That's not uncommon in this industry, and so you need to be ready mentally and with the equipment to be able to meet those unforeseen changes, and we were able to do that. It went off without a hitch, and we look forward to the next air show.